PropTypes props tool is another code editor tool which reads current position of the cursor and tries to find closest component instance to the cursor. So it's the best way to work with this tool is to place your cursor inside of a GSX tag and then tap on its icon in the toolbar. This tool will try to find an import for this component and load it. It will look for its prop types and parse them to provide you with available prop types. This is a section in interface on top. If you expand it, you will see all available prop types for this component. Also, it will parse properties which were already provided for current instance and displayed below. And also it allows you to add a custom property for this instance. For example, if a component does not have prop types, or you are sure that there is more properties could be added to this component which were not described in prop types, you can just provide here a name for property, like name, and edit, and it will be right here. Also, it sets value in curly braces. It means you can put boolean value or number or anything else. It could be a variable like this. For boolean type, it will show you a checkbox like here for inherit style, and once we tap on update button, it will just populate this instance with provided properties. Let's look for better examples. For example, in animated example file, we have a view standard React Native view component instance. Let's look what prop types it shares with us. I'm going to expand available prop types, and there's a lot of stuff. So I will be using on layout. It's a function, and let's look for collapsible and something like test ID. Okay, for string properties, as you can see, it defaults to double quotes, but left quote is tappable, so you can tap on it and switch to curly brace. For example, if you want to provide a string value via a variable or a function call like this. For a function, as you can see on layout, it adds a value in curly braces, but it defaults to simple stub function which returns null. If you tap on it, it will transform into multi-line input, so you can add here whatever is the body of the function. So it could be something like this, or for example, if it's a component, this handle layout like so, and collapse back again. For unknown type, it shows expandable multi-line text area like this. So because it doesn't know and it doesn't want to predict what kind of values you might put there, so it just gives a freedom to format your value just like you want it, like so. And let's update. our view now has all the properties which we added, and I'll tap on Prettify tool to make it look nicer. Okay, like so. If for example PropTypes props tool didn't find import for the component where your cursor points at, or for example import is just missing, let me just remove this view and let's see what's will be now. So in this case it couldn't find prop types for this component, and it shows us that component does not contain prop type specs. Here you can change only properties that are already there, or you can add a custom property like so. Add true. Done. Update. For components which have prop types but it's custom functions, custom prop types, it will always show unknown type, and for all the unknown types it uses multi-line text field, text area, like here. So width is obviously should be a number, but since I don't know, if this tool doesn't know for sure, it will use multi-line text area, like here. Also it works fine with REST parameters. For example, let's add here some argument. I will add style. Done. Update, and I'll use style composer just to quickly add some values. Text color could be red, why not? And now I will add spread operator for props object, like so. And if I'll go to PropTypes props tool, you can see we have this spread operator, and I can tap on it and could edit here the value of the spread operator, and also I can rearrange it. For example, if I think that props object could have style property and I want to have my style be overwritten by something which comes from outside, I could put my style to be before the spread operator, and in this case, if props contains some style, it will overwrite my, like so. And as you can see now, props spread operator is going after my style prop.